we see a lot of casket that flown away. A lot of damage here. So we're here to get your support to help as the Bible decree in Matthew 25:35. I was hungry, you didn't help me. I was naked, you didn't clothe me. I was thirsty, you didn't give me anything to drink. I was poor, you didn't feed me. So this is our mandate, to help the less fortunate, to bless the poor, those who are bound, those who are in need. In Psalm 41 decree, blessed is he that consider the poor, the less fortunate. When it's your time, when your back is in trouble, the Lord will help you. So we are here to show you the clip in Andros and what those people are going through. So they need help. So let us do it together in collaboration and unity, and we can achieve much if we do it together in one accord. God bless. Amen.
This is where I'm taking you. A lot of things was uprooted. Thank you, Facebook. We just want to say thank you for your continual support, your continual love, and continual prayer. God bless you. Hi, Facebook friends and family. This is where some of the bodies came out of the grave. And I'm just showing you the different clips of what took place. Hi, as you can see, I'm at a different location right now. As you can see, this is someone's home, and they had to move out because of what took place with the hurricane, with the devastation, Hurricane Matthew. We are just showing you some clips of what took place with Hurricane Matthew. I was also told that the water was so high that it came over onto the street, and it was covering the roof of the homes. Now I want you to take a clip of this way, right over there. I don't know if you guys can see, way over there on the keys, the water actually came up and came onto the road. This is where the community is coming together. They're cleaning the debris, removing the excess from the side of the roads and helping those who are in need. Yes, hi Facebook friends and family once again. Good afternoon. This is Prophetess Remy again, once again. I remember when I was here back in July in Nicholstown, and they had like some stalls here. And as you can see, there's no stalls or anything here. Now everything is just flat. Everything is just demolished on this lovely beach. As you can see, they're trying to clean up, but there's no more a building here. They're using tents now to really try to come together to make a living. This is something what we call in the Bahamas fish fry, where they serve salad, they serve fried fish. Any Bahamian food will be here at this location in Nicholstown. And as you can see, the buildings are, look, you can even look over there and you see where the building, they have major roofing damage.
Hi, my name is Peter Douglas. I am the co-chairman of the Disaster Relief for the Central Andros District. And I just want to report to you about the devastation of Hurricane Matthew here with us in Central Andros. If you could take a look around, this is where I live. This is all lush fruit trees, and you can see everything was blown down. That yellow house over there was totally destroyed, but that's a vacation rental. I had to build it back in time to have my guests for December. This is my main house. I got some shingles ripped off the roof, but mainly a lot of the trees, you can see them all got broken up, and the sea came all the way where you're standing right now, and that was pretty frightening.
Yes.
And most of the storm came out of that area, and every house on my street had roof damage and property damage with trees down. We didn't fare as bad as Low Sound, but we got set back pretty bad. We didn't have power for a month and telephone for 3 months. But our disaster planning was pretty good, so we lost no lives, but we still need assistance with building materials to rebuild. And any assistance we could get from you would be greatly appreciated.
I'm
Thank
Laurie
you, sir.
Trico, one of the proprietors here at the big shop located Nicholstown on the waterfront, where we sustained some damages from the last Matthew storm. Here to our left, we had a stream of stalls with various businesses selling food, with all of that. This was an area that was destroyed, totally destroyed by the water surge came through during the storm. And to our right were another set of stalls where we usually host festivals. That too was destroyed by Hurricane Matthew. As you can see, we have standing a temporary setting that one of the operators from the stalls to your left now operates from temporarily because they have no existing business at the moment, so they're free to use that park area. And here to the right is the only set of buildings standing at the waterfront in terms of business. That's our business. It's one of the second oldest buildings here on the island, somewhat 200 years old. Well, it sustained another hurricane here on the island, but as for damages, most persons received really just roofing damage. They lost numerous shingles and damages like that, and we got more water damage after the storm because of all the leakage. That's it, basically, and this is what we're left with. The community persons together, along with the team of the the hurricane relief team on the island, got together, and we're continuing to do cleanup here within the north of Andros. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Rico.
The island of Andros. We're here with Remy's uncle, Mr. Cargill. So he lives here in Andros. So you're going to tell us exactly what happened to the hurricane, how those people been affected. Go ahead, Mr. Sidney.
Well, what I can say is that the hurricane did a lot of damages all over Andros. But here in Lausanne, it did the most damage. Right behind me here, you're looking at what would be my favorite count stand.
Wow.
Restaurant.
Wow.
Totally gone.
Wow.
So that's the kind of wind temperature that we had. The water rose about 20 feet above sea level. And the wave came with that to 20 feet. And that's the result over there of that building was completely demolished.
Wow.
And if you look around the surrounding area, this whole area was 20 feet underwater. It may look different now, but hey, hurricane night was a totally different story.
Wow.
It's gonna take a lot of time and effort to get everything back together. People working.
Yeah, I saw a lot of homes that been destroyed. I remember last time we were here in June. These are the places you took us to get some salad and get some fried fish.
That building been for quite a few hurricanes, but this one was so dangerous. This wind was almost like 100, way over 150.
Wow.
It was a category 4 that hit Andros Island. Got it between category 4 and 5.
Not enough.
I mean, without looking any further, I can say that we can try our best in order to get all the areas back together. Different from Lausanne, we have Nicholas Town, Stanier Creek, and this area that we're standing in now.
So are you in contact with some of those people who are hurt, who lost their home right now? What are they doing at this point?
Well, I did a lot of hurricane relief during the hurricane.
I know you did.
Yeah, but now government took over, they did a lot. Government still doing it now because they're paying those people that cleaning the road. They getting a weekly pay of $50 a day just in order to keep the community, to bring that back together. So government is doing their share.
Okay.
There's only so much government can do.
There's so much they can do.
We need help from the private citizens.
That's right. That's right. That's why.
Worldwide.
That's right.
Right.
We need other foundation to come in.
Right. All the beaches and things are mostly back together.
Yes.
But homes, the trailers will be passing on the road. Government is putting people in trailers or something. All we need is trailers. We need lots of them. Government, then I repeat, government can't do everything.
That's right.
Yes.
That's right.
Okay.
So thanks so much, Mr. Cargill.
All right.
So that's how it's been in Andros. There's a lot of damages, a lot of home been destroyed. So that's why we're here to take a clip to show you guys exactly what's going on in Andros.